In this video, we will see the process of cleaning blackheads on a patient's face by a beauty specialist. Blackheads, also known as blackheads, are formed due to a buildup of oil and dead skin cells that clog the pores. Before starting, the doctor will ensure that all equipment is sterile and that the patient's face has been properly cleaned to prevent infection. Special tools are used to carefully remove blackheads without damaging the surrounding skin. This process requires precision and patience, especially when treating larger and deeper blackheads. The doctor gently presses the area around the blackhead so that the contents of the blackhead can be removed completely. After cleansing is complete, the doctor will usually advise the patient regarding follow-up care, including the use of appropriate products to prevent blackheads from forming in the future. It is also important to keep your skin clean and avoid habits that can cause clogged pores. This process may seem simple, but it is very important that it is carried out by a professional for optimal and safe results. If you have a similar problem, consult a beauty specialist for proper treatment.